Are you ready to discover a land of ancient myths, dramatic coastlines, and mountains that touch the clouds? Welcome to Wales, a country small in size but colossal in its beauty and spirit. Forget everything you thought you knew, because we're about to embark on a journey through the most amazing places in this Celtic wonderland. From fire-breathing dragons to castles that whisper tales of old, Wales is a treasure trove of adventure just waiting to be explored. So buckle up, because this is going to be an unforgettable ride. Our first stop is Snowdonia National Park, a realm of rugged peaks and breathtaking vistas. Dominating the landscape is Snowdon, or Yr Wydfa in Welsh, the highest mountain in Wales and England. Whether you choose to hike one of the 6 main paths to the summit or take the historic Snowdon Mountain Railway, the panoramic views from the top are simply out of this world. On a clear day, you can see all the way to Ireland. But Snowdonia is more than just one mountain. It's a vast playground of deep valleys, serene lakes like Lyn Padarn, and cascading waterfalls. It's a place where nature's power and beauty are on full display, inviting you to hike, climb, or simply stand in awe. From the mountains, we journey to the coast, to the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. This is the only national park in the UK designated primarily for its spectacular coastline. Imagine over 186 miles of winding coastal paths, revealing hidden coves, golden sandy beaches, and dramatic sea cliffs teeming with birdlife. We'll explore gems like Barafundle Bay, often voted one of the best beaches in the world, accessible only by a scenic clifftop walk. Then there's the charming pastel-colored town of Tenby, with its medieval walls and bustling harbour. And don't forget to take a boat trip to Scomer Island, a sanctuary for thousands of puffins, razorbills, and seals. It's a coastal paradise that will capture your heart. Wales is famously known as the land of castles, boasting more castles per square mile than any other country in Europe. We can't visit them all, but let's explore some of the most magnificent. We begin with Conwy Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This gritty, dark stone fortress is one of the finest examples of medieval military architecture in Europe. Walking its battlements, you feel transported back to the 13th century, with stunning views over the Conwy estuary and the town below. It's a raw, powerful reminder of a turbulent past. Next, we journey south to Conwy Castle. Surrounded by vast man-made lakes, this is Britain's second-largest castle after Windsor. Its most famous feature is the leaning southeast tower, which outleans the Tower of Pisa. Caerphilly's immense water defenses and concentric design were revolutionary for their time. Exploring its sprawling grounds feels like stepping onto the set of a fantasy epic. These castles aren't just ruins. They are the stone and mortar storybooks of Welsh history, filled with tales of kings, conflicts, and conquests. Now for something a little different. A place where Italian elegance meets Welsh wilderness, Port Meirion. This enchanting village on the coast of North Wales is the whimsical creation of architect Sir Clough Williams-Ellis. He spent 50 years designing and building this fantasy village inspired by the Italian Riviera. As you wander through its piazza, past colorful cottages, ornate gardens, and a quirky bell tower, you feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. It's a completely surreal and utterly charming experience, proving that Wales is full of wonderful surprises. It is a photographer AS dream, and a perfect spot to just get lost for an afternoon. Let's head underground to explore another of Wales's wonders, the Dan National Show Caves. Located in the Brecon Beacons National Park, this is one of Britain's most spectacular cave complexes. You'll journey through magnificent passages, marvel at incredible limestone formations, and walk behind thundering waterfalls deep within the earth. It's a subterranean world that has been millions of years in the making. Above ground, the site also features one of the world's largest dinosaur parks, making it a fantastic adventure for the whole family. It's a journey to the center of the earth, Welsh style. No trip to Wales would be complete without experiencing its vibrant capital, Cardiff. This city is a fantastic blend of old and new. At its heart lies Conwy Castle, a magnificent site with Roman walls and a fairy-tale Victorian Gothic mansion. Just a short walk away is the Principality Stadium, the modern temple of Welsh rugby, the nation's beloved sport. Head down to Cardiff Bay, a transformed waterfront area with stylish restaurants, the iconic Wales Millennium Centre, and the Senedd, the home of the Welsh Parliament. Cardiff is a city buzzing with energy, culture, and a warm Welsh welcome, or, as they say, croeso. Our final stop takes us to the Gower Peninsula, the UK's first-ever designated area of outstanding natural beauty. And it's easy to see why. Gower is home to some of the most stunning beaches you'll ever see. We're talking about Rhossili Bay, a 3-mile stretch of golden sand regularly featured in lists of the world's top beaches. You can walk out to Worm's Head at low tide or just admire the view from the cliff tops. Then there's Three Cliffs Bay, with its distinctive limestone peaks rising from the sand. Gower is a haven for surfers, hikers, and anyone looking to escape and connect with the raw, untamed beauty of the Welsh coast. From the highest peaks of Snowdonia to the depths of its caves, from ancient castles to whimsical villages, Wales is a country that packs an incredible amount of wonder into its borders. It's a land of song, of myth, and of breathtaking landscapes that will stay with you long after you've left. We've only scratched the surface of what this amazing country has to offer, but I hope it has inspired you to plan your own Welsh adventure. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the wonders of Wales. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next adventure. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these Welsh wonders would you visit first? Until next time, travel safe and keep exploring.